Hello everyone. In this video we are going to configure nopCommerce SAML Single Sign-On using Okta as an identity provider. Let us look at how to download and install the nopCommerce SAML SSO plugin. Visit the nopCommerce marketplace and search for SAML. Click on the SAML Single Sign-On SSO Mini Orange extension. Click on the Get Extension button to download the plugin. Once downloaded, extract the downloaded zip and select the installable plugin zip according to your nopCommerce store version. After successful plugin installation, go to the plugins dashboard and click on Add New IDP. Select the Service Provider Metadata tab. You can send the plugin metadata to the identity provider in a number of formats, such as metadata URL, file, or text. Whatever option you choose, please keep it handy. We will require this metadata while configuring the identity provider. In our scenario, keep the base URL and SP entity ID handy for further configuration. Let us look at how to configure Okta as an identity provider. Navigate to the Applications tab and select Applications. Click on Create App Integration. Select SAML 2.0 and hit Next. In the General Settings section, enter the app name and click on Next. Here, you need to enter the single sign-on URL and SP entity ID from the nopCommerce SAML plugin which you had kept handy. Select the name ID format as email address, and the application username as per your choice. Scroll down, and click on Next. Select the option accordingly, and click on Finish. You will find the IDP metadata under the Sign-On section. Copy the metadata URL. Click on the Assignments tab. Click on the Assign button to assign users. To assign a specific user, click on Assign. Click on Save and go back. You can see that the user has been assigned successfully. Let us look at how to configure nopCommerce module as a service provider. Click on Identity Provider Settings. Select Okta as your identity provider. Click on Upload IDP Metadata. Here you will find two options to upload the metadata. You can fetch the metadata by entering the metadata URL, else you can upload the metadata file. In our scenario, let us enter the metadata URL and click on Fetch Metadata. You can see that the IDP metadata has been uploaded successfully. To verify the SSO configuration, hover on Select Action and click on Test Configuration. Enter the user credentials you assigned to the SSO application created earlier. After successful authentication, a Test Successful window will pop up showing user attributes such as name, ID, and so on. Now click on Done. Now, let's jump to see how your end users will use the SSO login into your store. Hover on Select Actions and click on SSO link to copy the link. Paste the SSO link in an incognito window and hit the Enter button. Use the test user credential to log in. On successful user authentication, the user will be sent to the nopCommerce store and will be logged in via single sign-on. Thank you for watching. For any queries or questions you may have, please feel free to contact us at nopCommerce support@securify.com.